Hello everybody, got my lawnmower that we'll be fixing on today's video. Today we'll be working on the engine, so let's move it on the cover. Okay guys, just fill the tires up with some air, all inflated. This one was a pain in the bum, because the little nozzle bit went into the rim, so I had to fish that out. And now we can start working on the thing itself. Main issue, the engine. But you're thinking how I got this thing into here from all the way over there. I drove it, so it does run. It's just, yeah, it's a bit warm still, the valves. So let me get to the stroke for you. Now watch this. It might do it, it might not do it. See? It does that. That can either mean a bad starter, bad battery, but I've worked out it's the valves. So you need to adjust the valves, which is underneath this cover. So I'll open that up to take the bonnet off, or hood. Now 4 screws. Oh, we're leaking oil. Gonna take out the 4 screws, and then on all corners, it's alright, I can leak a bit of oil. I'll do it off camera. Okay, I got the valve cover off, got the valves. So I'm pretty sure top one, yeah. So the top one is exhaust, bottom one is intake. I'm gonna go wash my hands, and then we'll adjust the valves, which will be this. So you're gonna unscrew this. You're gonna get a feeler gauge, put that between the tappet and the valve. I forgot what the name of this thing is. And then you're gonna tighten it up. Well, it depends. If it's too tight, it won't go into your timing, because that goes into all your timing. If it's too tight, it will engage too early and won't start your combustion. Too late, it won't release your gas in time. Or on this one, too late, you won't get your intake. So yeah. At the moment, my exhaust valve is at 0.006. Tight tolerance there. We're gonna make it tighter to 0.05 inches. We'll make it that. I'm gonna get my 10mm ratchet, no, not 10mm spanner, and a, what is this one? T15 Torx, and loosen that. I had to do it off camera because I only have 2 hands. A bit long, but I only have 1 hand. Gonna tighten. Is it tight? Yep, too tight. Loosen it up a bit. Way too loose. Gotta find the sweet spot. Bit tighter. Oh, just a bit more loose. Just go back and forth, testing out your sweet spot. And then when you tighten it, when you tighten the nut, it'll push it down a bit. So you want to go for a bit of a looseness, and then you can tighten this little hex bit, Torx, and then it will squeeze to the tappet, and it'll be advanced time. I went for a bit on the tight side on the exhaust, just because I can't be bothered if it doesn't do that. I'm gonna have to open up again. So it's just for extra measures. Oh, there's some stuff in our oil. I don't know if that's oil. Some metal. Hopefully not metal. But I put it on the tighter side, probably close, probably 0.004.5, probably closer to that. And we're gonna slap the valve cover back on and try it out, and hopefully it doesn't explode. Okay, change of plans. I do not want to try and start it. I've actually thought that I'm actually going to loose it up to 6, And I don't know, I knew I was already at 6, but I'm just going to try it because I tried it off camera and it didn't work, tightening it down to 4, so the struggles. But I win, it does it, kind of. Turn it back around. Put back on the... Okay, we'll call that a win for now. I've got to do some more research on the engine. But before, it would not turn at all. I don't know if you remember it from the start. It would not turn at all. So we're going to put it back together, take it for a ride, put the hood back on because I'm not planning to work on this again. And then after that, I have a couple more things. Actually, no, I'll do that in another video. Going for a startup right now. Forgot to put the choke on. Thank you guys so much for watching, if you've stayed up to this bit. And hope you enjoyed this video, and just making sure this is not for educational purposes. Do this at your own risk. I'm not even this good of a mechanic. And yeah, if you enjoy watching me do videos like this, subscribe to follow. And if you don't mind, leave a like. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your day.